Hello everyone, my name is Yog Gaware. I am working as assistant professor in Sandeep Institute of Engineering and Management. Today, my topic is manufacturing process. I am a participant on international FDP for the environment and sustainability for manufacturing process. So, first thing is what is meant by sustainability. So, sustainability is a development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. So, sustainability having six main methods: environmental impact, manufacturing cost, energy consumption, waste management, operational safety, and its personal health is totally towards the sustainability for the manufacturing process. So, what is meant by sustainability in manufacturing? So, is also defined as the creation of manufacturing product using non-polluting energy and natural resources economically sound with the same processes. So, in sustainability, having basic three main pillars. In sustainability, first pillar is the environmental, social, and economic. So, in economic performance, it totally depends on your environmental and social performance. So, sustainability is the intersection of basic three concepts on environment, social, and economic. Uh, Move to the next slide. So, what does the sustainability manufacturing mean in actual in basic main manufacturing concept? So, first thing is that the manufacturing means raw material is converted into finished product. So, using renewable material is used as a natural environment. Then, this natural environment material is used as a recycle and hazardous process is converted as input. Then, this input is transferred to your industry or company, use less energy or water and material, use as a produce to less waste. Then this product is again used to for the transportation and logistic using minimize the less packaging material. Okay, and these materials again go through the working with stockholders like customer retailer to reduce the environmental impact of sales and distribution. Then again is transferred to the making it easier to repair and design of the resources during use. And then these materials again transmit to your reusable product recycle and again is transmit to again it is a complete the one cycle. Next slide. Evolution of sustainable manufacturing. So in manufacturing is totally depends on uh, how to minimize the pollution. In industrial ecology, the study of physical and chemical or biological interaction is compared with the industrial and ecological system is called as the industrial ecology. It is based on the interdependent part of the overall ecosystem. You study the materials and energy flows through the system to flow the efficiency and its waste. So move to next slide. So how do you implement the sustainable manufacturing? So the if you use a basic follow the main steps, so you will get the sustainable or in sustainable manufacturing. So first thing is housekeeping. So in how when you first thing is housekeeping, improvement in work practice and maintenance. Second thing is process optimization. So with the help of process optimization, you will get the increase the efficiency of the product. Then raw material substitution, shifting to more environmentally sound input. Next parameter is new technology. So with the help of new technology, enable lower resources consumption, waste generation, emissions. Next and last thing is new product design. So minimize the impact throughout the product life cycle. Go through first point is a housekeeping. So housekeeping is the simplest method of implementing the sustainable manufacturing process. So housekeeping is so better environment inventory management, better monitoring and scheduling of the production process, reducing the loss of from leaks. You will get the better sustainable manufacturing. So while you implement the first housekeeping method in manufacturing industry, second point is the process optimization. It involves the changing your manufacturing process to minimize the waste, conserve the raw material, capture and reuse the waste material, collect the material, and recycling this material. You will get the best process optimization, and with the help of this concept you will get the increase the efficiency of the product. Third point is the raw material substitution. To find the best method to use with the help of the output of the industry is a chemical with environmental health impact. So it is a non renewable process, and if you use to find the way to eliminate the material, with the help of these you will get the minimize the pollution. Okay, so for example, use a water based solvent rather than chemical solvent. So it is the best method with the help of raw material substitution. So if you use a chemical plant industry and it may be converted into water based solvent, then the pollution it get minimized. Next thing is with the help of new technology. So while you implement the new technology in industry, so you will get the minimize the pollution. So using new technology, so more environmentally responsible technology you use. This can be involve the investment to purchase equipment. You will get the less energy and material. So in market number of new technologies are implement. So with the help of these new technologies, so pollution get minimized, and the efficiency of the product is also increase. Next point is new product design. So with the help of recycled material instead of new ones, using the renewable materials, recycling the material instead of new ones, so the product size it get minimized, then inventory cost is also minimum. So the cycle time and the efficiency of the product is also it get increased. Then the designing the for easy disassemble product for recycling and remanufacturing, using less packaging and more recycle packaging. So it is a best tool for the sustainability of manufacturing. So so last point is conclusion. So in conclusion, if you implement the all the points, so the sustainability in manufacturing is also it get possible. So thanks.